Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get hot corners functions like Mac and Linux operating system in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google just search for one application name as Hot Corners Win, and on the first list you will see the developer website. Just click on it. Now on the right side you can see your releases. Just click on it, and now just below the assets you will see your one file hotcornerswin.installer.msi. so you need to download this file. So finally the file has been downloaded. So now after downloading you need to download one more file, that is .NET 7.0. so you will see its official website on the first list. Just click on it. Just scroll down below. Now you will see here .NET desktop runtime. So now below you can see your different installer version. So if you're using a 32-bit then get this into 86, and if you're using a Windows 64-bit then get this into 64. So finally the download of both this file is completed. So firstly just download both this file and after that install one by one. So finally I have installed both the file. So now just click on the Windows start menu icon and just search for Hot Corners Win. So now you will see the application. Just click on it. Now you will see the icon appearing in the system tray menu of your respective taskbar, as you can see at the bottom. Now just right mouse click on it, and now you can see it's being enabled by default. Now click on the settings. Now inside the settings you will see various options. So to select the left top corner you can just click on this box and you can select depending which program or application you want to launch or open. So let me select a calculator, right? And on the right top corner what you want to do, so just let me use the start menu and let me select this left bottom corner, and on the right bottom corner similarly do the same thing. And below you will see here you can enable it for your virtual display also. On the right side you can see advanced settings, so you can change the area of the radius, cursor position, falling intervals, milli per second, and the turn off if a full screen app is open. And if you want to add a particular application or software or program then just click on this custom action and just click on this add. Now you can give a application name. Say I want to add a Chrome, and here under the cell command you need to add a application installed directory path. So say just right mouse click on the respective application that you want to add here. Just right mouse click on the application, click on properties. Now here you will see a target option. Just copy this target path leaving those double inverted comma and just paste it here and click on finish. Now you can see here one new Chrome option is being added. Now click on save and apply. Now close this. So now I want to add this Chrome option here. So just click on the respective options where you want to add this Chrome. So you can see here the Chrome has been added on this list. So I'll just add a Chrome. So once you're done with your settings, just click on apply. You can just close it. Now once again right mouse click on this Hot Corners Win icon and check if it is enabled or not. And now let us check if it really works or not. So let me start from the left top corner. So let me move my mouse cursor. So you can see the calculator application is opening, and let me try on the right top corner now. So you can see, let me try on the left bottom corner. So you can see here it's perfectly working, and let us try the last one, the right bottom corner. So you can see Google Chrome is opening. That means it's working perfectly. So if you want to disable it then just right mouse click on this icon and just disable it. Now if you move your mouse cursor to any of the corners then it will not be functioning again. So by using this application named as Hot Corners Win, you can easily get hot corners function like Mac and Linux operating system in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel click on the subscribe button, and lastly thanks for watching.